Imagine this, a tiny SSD that's faster than your laptop, tougher than your backpack, and can store everything, all without breaking a sweat. Meet the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD, the storage game changer you didn't know you needed. Stick around to see why this little beast is about to revolutionize how you save, shoot, and share. Hey tech crew, welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This isn't just another drive, it's a rugged, lightning-fast powerhouse from SanDisk, a name you trust. Whether you're a photographer, a gamer, or just drowning in files, this thing's got your back. Let's unpack why it's turning heads. So, what makes this SSD a total game changer? First up, speed. We're talking up to 1050 MBs read and 1000 MBs write with its USB 3.2 Gen 2 tech. I tested it. A 10 GB video file zipped over in under 20 seconds. Compare that to your old hard drive and it's like Usain Bolt racing a snail. Next, it's built like a tank. With an IP65 rating, it laughs off dust and water. I splashed it, dropped it from 3 meters, and it still worked like a champ. Plus, that carabiner loop, clip it to your back and go. Perfect for adventurers or clumsy folks like me. Capacities range from 500 GB to a massive 8 TB. That's enough for 4K footage, AAA games, or your entire meme collection. And security? It's got 256-bit AES encryption to lock down your data tighter than Fort Knox. Here's the real kicker. This SSD isn't just fast and tough, it's a workflow revolution. Photographers can edit raw files straight off it in the field. Gamers, load times vanish. I shaved 15 seconds off my Call of Duty boot up. And everyday folks, it's like a sleek upgrade from those bulky, slow external drives that sound like a dying lawnmower. SanDisk's been killing it since their 2019 launch, and after some early hiccups, those firmware fixes in 2023, they've nailed reliability with a 5-year warranty. At $99 for 1 TB and $549 for 8 TB, it's premium but worth every penny. This isn't just storage, it's freedom to create, play, and live without limits. Now, let's dream big. Imagine you've got this SSD in your kit. Where are you taking it? Shooting a vlog in the rain? Backing up your epic gaming rig? Tell me your wildest storage dreams in the comments.